Abanyankole mwena Western Uganda particular in large abanyankole Western Uganda tuliyo ntuzo mu kalulu ka 2026 konka abanyankole twantwenda kubasha ba mulundo ogumuhindure ngeri mu kutora namu abantu abo mu kuhereza omu parliament abanyankole Western Uganda muberiri hanga lya Uganda ekizibu kihango mononga kandi mwe timukabire kukimanya message eji nkabire ni nyende tambure ruyale eike ahaminyeto na muno eminyeto eryo mu Western Uganda ni mureba abantu aba ni ba member ba parliament na muno abakukiro bwingi enambe mpango nerugo mu Western Uganda akuba nturebo mu parliament haliyo ba MP bitano na mukaga samusingi konka Western Uganda region eine haba baka 272 no gita region zishatu Northern Uganda, Eastern Uganda and Central Uganda ba MP bayo abaryo mu region emwe ya Western Uganda ni babakiro bwingi ekintu ekyo Museveni akakikora kugira ngu Western Uganda nimwe mu kino kwikiriza kuhango omuli Museveni n'abantu be abantu aba eshaheji bali ntebe baliyo ni bashishe sente yo mu mushoro billions and billions of money they are enjoying drinking eating and baliyo ni bafuna amabahasa konka ni mmanya abwenchi baliyo ni bakole kintu ekyo nibenda kuhindura constitution yihanga omurundo gundi aho kubaba abantu ntukimanya ngo tine kibaliyo ni babakolero mu Western Uganda tihaliyo MP ine cyaliyo nakole cyamagezi mu Western Uganda konka ni bagiro mugasho ni bafuna ebinte byo kukora mukama wabo Museveni yayine cyakukura naye ndakigaruka aside eji constitution yiba kusiba ni bahindura bulizoba ba MP ba NLM nitumanyangu Museveni wenyino bakuhindura constitution ejo ni we yagikozire in 1995 Museveni we yakozire constitution ejo akaza kola constitution ejo ali kujumirira ebinte bya bireberuho abebembeza babandize yakora constitution ejo eri well organized n'abanya Uganda bona bagitire mamani kugikora ni mumanyangu na mama Miriam Matembe from there akaruha bakozire constitution ejo konka buli Museveni wakureba ngu yayika akanya constitution ejo yamukwata ekinte kyakwenda kukole cyo bushema ahihanga Uganda constitution yamukwata kiri mu favor yeye naye tabantu banyaba nimwe mukubatora nabantu mwe aba bantu tibakubire baruwaha mutabatorine aba bantu nimwe mukubatorana aha murundo ku bantu mabwenki mutakuhinduraho timukureba ngo abantu aba nabo batuberire kizibo mu ihanga Uganda tihine kinte kiba kuteso mu parliament cyamageze kikubasa kuyamba mu Uganda ni nyendo mu Western omwarugeyo angire ngunkareba MP wanje omwe ya lete nshonga afro ya parliament eri kwata Western Uganda apart from kwiza bakashitama Museveni omumisho akabaha amabahaza bakaza sente zitu bakatandika kurya bichepere kweyagara kubaba giga kombe kabuli kimwe cyona bakukiyo mani gabanya Uganda imwe muryokwe mu buzire namizigo kunywa aba bantu Museveni obwakuba nabenda kuhindura constitution nabeta abahasente bazo mu constitution biyame kinte kikufevalinga abanya Uganda batame kinte kikufevalinga Museveni na family ye mbwenu batwinire mugasho kinkihanga people from Western Uganda really sincerely speaking let us be realistic let us stop this mentality that amwe munyankole I have to go with munyankole even if I die hunger even if I don't have medicine even if I don't have schools I have to go with my fellow munyankole okay let us stop this narrative and let us think like Ugandans just stop being a munyankole and be a Ugandan really do you think that these people this MP you sent to parliament is it really a Ugandan ebintu baliyo bakora really bina ibikutwari ihanga ryawe ryokweta ihanga ryawe yo kwenda kuhangariramo iwe n'abana bawe n'abijukuru bawe okay baliyo benda kuhindura UPDF act akuba koti eireho kugira ngo abantu babulijo balemme kuguma nibazo mu kooti masha akubati tibanyamahe kooti masha ine kuvunanibwa abantu abanyamahe abakwate mbunda bakwate byo kulwanisa abakurwana entalo konkani bagenda bakwata abantu ba bulijo babato mu kooti masho kooti enkuru kooti supreme court eshaziremeche kiragiro hati Museveni kugira ngo weta kukifunamu ayesire mpujezeyi ezempuje nimwe mukuzitwara mu parliament nimwe mukuzitorana nimwe mukuzihereza karuru. Why don't you people change? Abwenchi mutakwindira mu bantu aba really sincerely speaking. These people ni barebekera mu picture when they want to do nonsense, when they want to do stupidity laws to Ugandans. Ejesha abaliyo ni benda kwindira constitution. That's why they have gathered like this on Mishoga Museveni. Niyo shonga abwenchi bayirundana bati yo Mishoga Museveni nibenda kugaruka kwindura iteka, nibenda kugaruka kwindura constitution yihanga. Nko kubaye rundine bati yo Mishoga Museveni bakwenda kwiyaho umwani kugukwasa Museveni na family ye na Odrek Rwabwogo ategesha hani yemwe bo Justina nibarebeka kuba active gambe by'ekisiru na n'iby'ekishema bakwenda kuhindura Museveni ekinte cyakura na enda kigaruka asaidiye konga tumanye ngo byo bintu Museveni byo ne byari yo nahindura mu constitution niwe yabikozire niwe yabitiremu kwarabe yabe na manyanguni bibi tibirungi abwenchi yabitire makaza kubito mu constitution ariko manyanguni byo birungi nibyo bino kubani bifavoringa abanya Uganda kunkategesha analeba nguni bibi nikimanyisa ngo hati wonko muntu ni wabire mubi abwihanga takine cyakwendeza ihanga hakubakaza kubiteko mu constitution eje bye binte byari yo nahindura ariko manyanguni byo bintu birungi ebyine kuma abanya Uganda no kumihanga rigendo misho omu democratic way. Waye bangu hategesha ho muntu wakozire binte byo nibyo bimwe ariko leba ngo nibirungi by then hategesha analeba ngo nibibi bine kubihindura nikimanyisa wenko muntu niwe yaba mubi naleba ngo ebye binte biyatire hakiri mulungi tibiki mufevalinga niko kweteze mpugeze ezi nimwe mukubatwara mu parliament Western Uganda nimwe mwine ba member ba parliament bingi kutira regions zona nibuza kwanga kutora neki kiteka Northern Uganda nibo bakuchanga Eastern Uganda bakachanga Central Uganda bakachanga no Western Uganda bakachikiriza nikirabaho aho kuba nimwe mwine ba MP bingi imwe na village ine MP nimwe mukuleta abantu ba NLM kabatu sya ahantu habi kabayisi hanga ahantu habi. Uganda is no longer a democratic republic of Uganda, is now a Museveni and company advocate, is now a Museveni and family company. Wewa kura na ina nguhateche kintu kienda ninyenda kiza side yanje ayeta abantu tolireba mubaka wa Western Uganda ine cyaliyo nagamba floor of parliament ino nagambe cha majezi for them they come on floor of parliament talking nonsense just defending Museveni and making stupidity laws to protect Museveni and his family. Western Uganda really tuzomu karuka 2026. Why don't we change at this time? Why don't we vote with knowledge, with the thinking capacity? I'm going to take munonga. Let us think as Ugandans. Let us stop thinking like a Westerner, a Munyankole, a Muchiga, a Mohima, a what? A Jeshani tuleba ngubalioni bakole bibiona just to fight NUP. So which is okay. But don't you think that NUP can go? And one of your son there can come as an opposition again, and he faces the same consequences they are passing now? Don't you think about that? Injustice everywhere is injustice for everyone. Esho ni muchimanya. Ahatali bwenganiza tihinali kubasa kufuna bwenganiza nobuwa kuboyoha. Don't you think that they can use those strategies bakubiba hamataka ganyi bakubatwara mu court martial? Nibasa kuba lyonshonga yitaka bakutwara mu kwatu masho kandi MP wawe niwe yakirabize nibasa kuba lyonshonga ya family nibasa kuba lyonshonga ya business bakutwara mu court masho iwo nibasa kugira ngo ebyo nibabikolera abantu my dear, this is the country, this is our country. Tomorrow it will be not NUP, tomorrow it can be you with the new party, because even you can come and protest and you contest in elections. Tiba kugira ngo yihangali azakoma NUP konkaga mateka gibalioni bakola galioni nigaza kushishi hanga. Even you tomorrow it will catch you. Western Uganda, please help us in this war. Change the voting mentality. Change the way how you vote these people.